Hi guys, carry on with the next exercise. I'm going to use the knife tool in this exercise to create the top part of my palm tree. So one of the things I'm going to do, I'm going to hide this basically. I'm going to go to object mode in Blender. I'm going to go here and I'm going to the cylinder, which is I'm going to say the trunk tree. I'm going to hide it at the moment. So now I can add different elements and then put them together. So I'm going to use, in this case, add mesh plane, or you can remember, you can shift A plane, and I'm going to escalate only in the X axis, which is the red one. So I'm going to press SX and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, like that. And let me see a little bit, it's too much, so SX a little bit smaller, maybe a little bit thicker, it's up to me, okay? So S and then Y to make it slightly bigger. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is use the knife tool, which is in edit mode. So I'm going to go to edit mode, click in here, go to edit, or press tab on my keyboard, and then I've got here the knife tool. So the knife tool is not one of my favorites, but I'm going to try to show you how it works. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is to select the knife tool, and I'm going to start to draw manually points to do the palm tree. So simple here and here and here. I'm going to try to do relatively simple. Okay. Here, there. And more or less there, and presented. Okay. Well, it is not very good, but hopefully you understand. Now I'm going to remove some of the faces that I don't want to. So I'm going to click on that one, hold shift, and click on the ones that actually I want to remove, and press X. Faces. Wow, this is not very good at all. So let me try to do something with the knife again. Here, center, and then select this one and X faces, and then use the knife tool to put this slightly better. I don't know if that will help. So enter, select that one and X faces. Okay, this is not magnificent, but hopefully you understand what I'm trying to do. You've got the worksheet with a lot of better explanation. So I'm going to use the knife tool. You can go to the knife tool, clicking here or pressing the K key on the keyboard. And then what I'm going to do is to, you see, I'm going to do a mesh in here. So hopefully, let me see, I can do something like that, something like that, something like that. Press enter and use again the knife tool. So I can click here and enter, K, here, and here, and enter. And I'm going to do the same thing, K, here, and enter, and like that. Here, enter, and another one here, and enter. So I've got something there, so I can play with. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the move tool, proportional editing, to move this down on the Z axis. So I'm going to put on the side view more or less. I'm going to select faces. This one is in the middle. Proportional editing, and I'm going to go to, I think it's that one, the move tool, because I always use the shortcut, which is G. And then let me use the G, and you can see I've got the proportional editing. So if I move down this, because it's proportional, it's moving the whole supposedly lift. So I can see that here now has a little bit more shape. Okay, so I'm going to go now to the object mode, pressing tab, or here click edit object mode. So I can select the whole element and I can duplicate it. You can see here that it's plane. Okay, so to duplicate it, Shift D, so I can move it around here, and then again Shift D, so I can move it again, and I'm going to do one more, Shift D, so I can place here. Let me move this around with G, because I'm going now to unhide the trunk thing. And I can select these ones and I can move them around to put on the right position. Okay, so I can rotate them. Okay, rotate them maybe on the y-axis, and then rotate it on the z-axis, and let's see if I can put them on the place. G and then Z and then like that. Rotate and then X maybe. Yes, perfect. And let me see if I can rotate them on the y-axis. No, rotate it on the x-axis, on the z-axis. Okay, I'm not very good rotating elements, but there you go. I've got the element. Let me see. This looks more or less okay. A little bit more on the top. G and then Z. Takes time, and I'm rubbish with this, but you can see that you've got the lift there. So if I do the same with the others, for example, I take this one and then rotate on the Z-axis, and then rotate on the X-axis a little bit, probably like that, I'm not sure. Rotate on the y-axis, so I turn this round, and I'm going to GZ to move on the top. Let's see how it's going. R Z GY, and this looks more or less alright. And I can do this with the 3 leaves. Okay, so now I can give them color if I want to. So I can go to this section, I can go to this part at the bottom, properties. I can select the material, but I'm going to add a new one, which is going to be new trunk. I'm going to put, okay, I don't know how to do it. I'm going to put, okay, brown, better. Brown, because I'm going to put brown. And then use something darker like this one, more or less. I select the trunk, brown part. Let me see if I select material. Let me click on here again, so I have another one, and new, because I like doing this way better. Brown. It's the same process, but better. This color I like it more. And I select this. Select this one, and I can assign this to this color, and then I can create another color for this part. Okay, let me stop this. Okay guys, this is good, because probably you figured out why I have some problems with assigning elements in here. I am in the edit mode now. So what I can do is to go to object mode, select one section, go to edit mode. Now I'm in edit mode. I can select anything I want to, for example, all of this, and I can select green and click on assign. So now all of this is green. I can now go to edit mode again, select the trunk, go to edit mode, and I can select everything pressing A. Everything is selected. So I can select brown and assign, and now in object mode, my trunk is brown and the leaves are green. I only have to put this in place and make sure it's the right color, which I don't think is that one. Hopefully you understand what I've done, and this helps you to solve any issues that you have.